Hello guys, welcome to my simple tutorial about the basic of Python. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to display a text and also how to comment in Python. Suppose you want to display the word hello world. To do that, you need to type print open and close parenthesis, and inside you need a set of quotation marks in a text and hit run. As you can see, the text hello world is now displayed. Let's try another text that says Pizza Hut. Now, as you can see, the print function displays the text Pizza Hut. This are the example of comments. Comments are used to explain how a code works. Let's try to type hello world. Comments are not displayed and visible in the output window. Now you know how to display a text and comment in Python. Now let's dive into different data types in Python.